Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. I'm just going to do a quick video of how to set up your fingerprint scanner on your BlackBerry KEY2. If you might have missed it in the initial setup process, then I'll show you how you get it back. So you head down to settings here, press that, go to security, and you're going to go to fingerprint, and you're going to add your fingerprint. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. You could check out this information. Basically, I'm putting my pen real quick. Alright, so you have to locate the sensor, which is on the space bar at this point here. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your finger there a couple of times. Same process as any other phone. And you're going to make sure that you hit all points of your thumb, because I've noticed sometimes this does not work perfectly, and there's other times where it's flawless. So add another. Always do both. I think it makes more sense to have both thumbs, because you never know if you're eating with one hand or if you're writing with the other, or say how you know what I'm saying. Alright, just set that up. Alright, and you just hit done, and that's it, guys. And if you want to add the screen lock password, you do that as well. If you want to hide like your sensitive detailed content of your notifications, you can do that as well. And if you want to set up your smart lock, you can do that too, but this is about the fingerprint scanner. I'm going to show you guys how it is. So if you just tap it, it unlocks, and it does have a space bar here. Like, it's super clicky, like it's not mushy, or it's not hard to press. It works perfectly, and you could hear the sound of it, so it definitely works great. And if you want to just leave it on and just see how fast it goes, you can do that as well. Alright guys, this is a quick video about the fingerprint scanner on the BlackBerry KEY2. And if you guys have any questions about the BlackBerry KEY2, just let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to answer it as fast as I can. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.